Welcome to the channel. Today we will be unboxing the top residential string trimmer. This is an Ego 16-inch string trimmer, model number ST1623T. All the Ego string trimmers look the same, so it can be very confusing. The top of the line is the only one that has the 16-inch cutting swath, and it also has the line IQ. With the line IQ, there is no bumping necessary and it has auto feed. The tool has a 5-year warranty and the battery has a 3-year warranty when registered. This product is manufactured in China. For more information, here is the QR code, or you could visit egopowerplus.com. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. You have your trimmer, handle, guard, 4-amp battery, extra 0.95 string line. You have a tool, owner's manual, warranty information, and your battery charger. Here is a better look of everything that's inside the box without the packaging. Out of the box, the battery was charged only 2 bars out of 5. The motor is located in the trimmer head, hence you do not have a traditional circulating shaft. All you have is the power going down to the motor. Alright, everything has been assembled. I would say the assembly is considered very easy. Anyone can do it with the tool provided. This string trimmer retails for $329. That's considered very expensive, but let's go ahead and go over some of the features and benefits to add some value to that price. One thing that makes this string trimmer so unique is line IQ. You do not have to bump the head to extend the string. If you don't have to bump the head, this portion will never wear out. Hence, you do not have to replace the head. This is a brushless motor, thus it will run cooler and it will also extend the battery runtime. This has the power load feature, so you never have to wind up the string manually. The shaft is made out of carbon fiber. To save weight, this tool weighs about 7.5 pounds. Depending on the battery size, you want to add additional 4 or 5 pounds. This tool is well balanced because you have the battery weight on one end and then the weight of the motor on the other end. You can easily adjust the length of the tool. There are 2 speeds, slow, fast. The trigger is a variable speed, so it works very similar to a gas trimmer. Alright, let me show you how auto feed works. Simply thread the line all the way through. And then push the green button. That easy. As you saw, I had a difficult time edging. This is because the guard is in the line of sight and I'm unable to see the end of the string. So here's my point of view. I really cannot see where the edge is. Even if I go to the side, it's still very difficult to see. Here is the final product. As you can see, part of the edge is hacked. This is because the guard was in the way and I could not get a clear view of the edge. Hopefully, as I use it more often, I will get used to it and the line will get very crisp. I've always used a string trimmer to edge and I was always able to get a crisp line. I want to give you my first impressions. If your experience is different, please comment below. This is just my opinion. Let's start with the line IQ. It works as advertised. I give it a 3/4 thumbs up. The only reason is I feel you're using more string line. With the Powerload, it's a full thumbs up. This is the best feature of this trimmer. You do not have to twist the head to load the string. All you have to do is push the button. This is the best in the industry. The trimmer guard is a thumbs down. It is always in your line of sight and you cannot swivel it. There's 2 bolts that holds it in one position. The carbon fiber shaft is a half thumbs up. The carbon fiber is unique. However, there's a weak point at the joint and there seems to be a little bit of flex at that joint. The handle is a half thumbs up. It is nice and soft. However, I'm unsure how long this foam will last in the long run over hard plastic. Also, I wish this was a full circle grip. With this D-shaped grip, at times I'm holding on the end here versus making the adjustment on the fly. The power feature with the variable trigger is a thumbs up. I feel it has the same amount of power as a gas trimmer. The battery is a half thumbs up. I did not have any issues with runtime. My issue is with the weight and size of the battery. This is a 4-amp battery, and if you compare that to a Milwaukee 5-amp battery, you could see the big difference in the size and weight of the battery. In conclusion, the Ego's auto feed feature differentiates it from all other brands. This feature is significantly better than a speed feed head. As for line IQ, only time will tell. As long as I do not have to replace worn out heads, it'll be worth the extra money. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much.